Hey y'all, Jim Pankey here. I'm back. Yeah, I took a couple of weeks off to kind of regroup and ponder on what we need to do, and so I thought maybe we could do this little tune. It's fun. It's really short, but it's got tricks and stuff in it. Make your friends laugh, and people will request it, and they'll want to hear you play it. We're going to learn Whoa Mule Whoa. It's not hard. It's going to use a lot of stuff you already know. It's going to be some forward rolls, forward and reverse rolls, maybe an alternating roll. We'll just make stuff up as we go, because that's the way we do this. So we'll just dive into this. So let me play through it. I'm going to play through it kind of slowly, medium-ish, and give you an idea what we're going to do. Now, we may change it and we'll tweak it and do stuff with it. Hopefully what you're doing is you're getting ideas of ways to make banjo sounds, melodies that you'll be able to use in whatever you're doing. So here we go. And I'll even put the words in it so you can hear kind of how the melody goes. Whoa now, mule, I say, ain't got time to kiss you now, this mule's getting away. So that's a demo. So let's figure out what we need to do just to play it, and not maybe all those licks that I did, and there really wasn't a lot of them. But so here's a way to start. So I'm starting it with a pinch, and I'm pinching 4, 3, and 1 with my right hand, and I'm doing that with a 2 to 5 slide on 4. So I'm going pinch, slide, and that slide counts as a beat. So I'll go pinch, slide, and then top and bottom pinch, and a 3 pinch. So it sounds like, and then 5, 3, 1, 5, 3 pinch. So pinch, pinch, 3 pinch, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3 pinch. So that's just a whole bunch of pinches, a whole bunch of open strings, really, except for that slide. Pinch, slide, pinch, 3, pinch, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, pinch. Now we're going to do a forward and reverse roll. We're going to go from 2 to 5, and we're going to stay off the second string. So our index is going to play the third. So we're going to go forward and reverse. We'll go 4, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 4, 1. So let me do it again. I move back to the 2nd fret, so, and then get a D7 and play a forward and reverse roll. Notice I've still stayed off the 2nd string, so 4, 3, 1, 5, 1, 3, 4, 1. Gives us a real power chord kind of sound. So here's what we've got. And now we need another forward and reverse. We're going to do that 2 to 5 slide again. We're going to do it here. So, and then get your C chord, forward and reverse. And now get a D7 chord, do an alternating roll. So that's just 4, 2, 5, 1, and then third string. So let's see what that looks like. So you got your pinch with the big slide. Pinch, 3, pinch, 5, 3, 1, 5, 3, pinch, forward and reverse, forward and reverse, reverse, C chord, D7 alternating roll, one more time. But that's, you can do it your way. All right. Now, there's one other little thing that you can do. It's a rake. And rakes aren't hard, but you will have to practice it. So where I did that little pinch at the beginning, I pinched the 4, 3, and 1. You can do a rake. And all a rake is just your thumb going down all the strings. So it sounds like that. And don't be bashful with it. Just drag them out. Now don't just whack it. You don't want to whack it, but you want to just go through the strings deliberately. Third, mistakes are okay. I tell myself that, but I'm telling you that too. It's okay if you don't hit the right string. It really is okay. Just keep playing. Don't try to go back and fix your mistakes. You just play on through. It'll be all right. Now, what about the tricks? And I know if you've watched Whoa Mule Whoa, you've seen little tricks. Now, the first and most easiest trick you can do is just tapping on the banjo head. So, and it's going to be part of the first part of the song. So, it's going to fit over that part of the song, and then we're going to go. And you can tap on your banjo head any way you want to. It's your head. So, but I just do. goofy, but you can do it, and folks like it. And when you do that, you know, it's like, that's a mule running over the bridge. And that's the tapping part. And I don't do that a whole lot, obviously, but you can do it. Then the other part is the behind the bridge part. Now, there's a number of ways to do this, and I'm going to show you two. So, one of them, you're going to do that rake, and then you're going to pick up behind the bridge on that first string. So, rake, and then, or you can just hit the fourth string. So rake up. So you're just raking and picking up, or you can just do it. And all that is just the fourth string, and then the first string behind the bridge. Yes, I know it's messy, and it's supposed to be. Now the second part you can do, you just pick it all behind the bridge. So I'm just not even going to count that pattern out to you. You're just picking behind the bridge in rhythm. I'm going 3 2 1 1 1 3 2 1 3 2 1 3 3 2 1 1 1 1. But do it anyway. You can do them with rakes. Anything you want to do there. Totally up to you. Then, all right, so that's tapping, and then that's behind the bridge, and then there's one other goofy thing that you can do, and it's a whole bunch of slides. And all that is just a big long slide. So I start on the fourth and I go slide 5 1, and you can do it all on the 4. It's not a slide from anywhere to anywhere else. It's just a mess. It's supposed to be. Or you can do it on different strings. So let's put it all together. So we got from the beginning. Funny slides. bet you can figure that ending out. If you've done my shaving haircut, it starts the same way. But we did our shaving and haircut down here with those things. Now, let me scoot down here. That's you a starter version of Whoa Mule. You can make it as fancy or as simple as you want, not like anybody else. Now, I know that I've got tab books and tabs, and a bunch of y'all have gone out there, and golly bum, I do appreciate it. Helps me feed my starving cats. But really, the main thing that I want from you is that you're going to promise me that you're going to work through these videos and not look at the tab. What I've discovered over the years is folks get hung up in playing the exact notes that I wrote on the tab. And I know this to be true. I wrote out a tab for a student one time, and I made a mistake in it. And he came back in the next week and played everything, including the mistake. And it sounded pretty awful. And he says, well, that's what was on the paper. And so it happens. And so I would much rather see you guys struggle and really just have to work through it and figure it out. Because if I put it on the paper for you, it's not like I'm spoon feeding you. And there's great value in the tabs, else I wouldn't even put them out there. But work from the videos and then figure it out. And if I'm doing something that you can't do, I bet you can find something that you can do that fits in that same spot and do that. Folks, I love doing these videos for you, but there won't be a tab for this one. I wouldn't even know how to begin to tab stuff behind the bridge. So y'all just work on it, have fun with it. That's the main thing. I'm so encouraged by seeing all y'all send me these messages, private messages, and as well as comments on these videos. It does me a world of good, and I really appreciate it. I never had any idea all y'all ladies and gentlemen out there would really appreciate what I'm trying to do. So I thank y'all. We'll see you next time.